Hi guys, this video might look a little bit darker than usual because I don't have my ring light on. I'm just using natural light and today it's raining so it looks dark outside, so it might look dark, but just my eyes are quite irritated and I really don't want to put the ring light on today. So today's video is about Boxycharm and I'm so happy. Like, Boxycharm just keeps getting better and better and better. Like, wow. You only pay $21 a month. Anyways, enough about that and let's get started. And this is the code for Sol de Janeiro in case one of you guys are interested. It says Boxy 2018. So the first item that I'm taking out of the box is the Alamar Cosmetic Reina del Caribe, no? Yeah, Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. And you guys know already, if you follow me, you know that I love this palette because I recently created a video like about, I would say like a month ago. Yeah, like about a month ago I made a video on it because I bought the Ojito Trio set and the palette. So I actually have two palettes now and oh my god, they're so beautiful. My mom likes this palette. I have some of my friends that wanted this palette as well, so most likely I'm gonna give it to one of my friends since I do have the palette in my house already and my mom can perfectly just use the palette if she's interested in it. Let me see if this palette is in good conditions just in case one of the eyeshadows is broken or something. And yes, definitely this baby is in good conditions. So I will be giving this to one of my friends. So let me get my palette that's already been used. And here are the eyeshadows. The names of the eyeshadows are La Costa, El Malecón, Varadero, Celia, Coco Taxi, Trópico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito. When I look at the names, it perfectly reminds me of Cuba, so I'm from Cuba. What can I say? I love it. The four shades right here, they're shimmer shade, and then the other four shades are powder shades. It has the little symbol of water, meaning if you want to intensify the eyeshadow, you go ahead and do so and put some prep and prime, and that will intensify the eyeshadow. But it's up to you. It doesn't mean that the eyeshadows need prep and prime enabled to... I feel like sneezing. Thank you. Anyways, so the water doesn't mean the water doesn't mean oh god, the water symbol doesn't mean that you need prep and prime enabled to for the eyeshadows to fully appear the intensity of it. Nope, negative. They perfectly have a really good pigmentation without any prep and prime. Just look at those colors, you guys. They're very creamy and just, oh my god, they're so good. Just look at that. They are amazing, you guys. I love them. I was supposed to do my hair yesterday, but it was raining once again. And I don't know, I was just in this weird mood and I didn't really feel like going out. So I decided not to do my hair and I ended up doing the Ipsy video because I received my Ipsy yesterday in the mail. And yeah, so today I'm like, let me do my Boxycharm. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes, and this is the Tarte Shape Eye Primer. And I highly recommend it. It's really good. Today's look is going to be simple. I'm not gonna do anything crazy like yesterday. So I'm going to set my eyelids with Anastasia Tempera color. This one right here. This is the Soft Glam palette, by the way. For this look, I'm going to start with Coco Taxi. And basically, I'm using Coco Taxi for my transition shade. What I'm doing, I'm just getting the color Coco Taxi and I'm just putting it over and over again just to build up the color, even though the colors are very pigmented. And you don't necessarily have to do that because they can easily build up very fast. It's just to be safe because I don't want this look to be overboard. Like, I want something very simple. So now I'm going to get the shade of Guantanamera. I'm going to get El Malecón, and with my finger I'm going to be putting it. Are you guys seeing that? I'm going to get Guantanamera and I'm going to be putting it in my lower lash. And now I'm going to get Coco Taxi and once again in my lower lash. And I'm going to put La Costa in my inner eye. La Costa once again, and I'm going to be putting that in my brow bone. So this baby here, the Alamar palette, retails for $28. The second item that I'm going to be taking out of the box is the Badminton lashes. And this baby's right here retails for $28. So basically, 1 hour later, I finally put the eyelashes. I really like them. So the third item that I'm taking out of my box is the 3-piece Flawless Complexion Luxie set, I guess. I really like Luxie brushes. They're so soft, so I really appreciate that. I really like this brush, the 522 taper highlighter. Yeah, I was gonna say this is perfect to highlight and also to set your concealer. It fits right in. And the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion set retails for $42. So that is quite pricey. Let me put this in back over here. So moving on. So the next item in my box is the waterproof eyeliner pencil from the brand Junted Blue, and this retails for $5. I wouldn't say this is black, this is more grayish. And it's not that creamy. It's okay. Not my favorite. And the last item in my box this month is a ultra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this baby here retails for $21, and this is in the color Verona. Ultra formula is so good. Totally forgot to put blush. Let me put a little bit of blush from Tarte in the color Feisty. This is the final look. And later on I'm gonna buy more Ultra lipsticks because they're really good. I skipped the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I am definitely buying more of this cream, Sol de Janeiro, because it's really good. Really good. And my hands feel so moist and smooth and smells amazing. Too good. So, and this baby here retails for $10. And anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to click on the little bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And anyways, have a beautiful day, night, wherever you are and you're watching this video. Bye guys, till the next one. Mwah. Ciao.